I recently dove into the world of Hitch cargo carriers, testing 5 popular options so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. From hauling camping gear to everyday groceries, these carriers promise to make your life easier. So stick around as I break down my real experiences with each product, emphasizing what you need to know before making a purchase. Product number 1, MeFar Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier. When I first laid eyes on the MeFar Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier, I was impressed by its robust build. Measuring in at 53x19x5, this carrier is designed to handle a whopping 500 pounds of cargo, making it perfect for both light and heavy loads. I decided to put it to the test during a weekend camping trip. The assembly was straightforward. It came with a user manual that was clear and easy to follow. I was able to set it up in under 20 minutes, which is a plus for someone who isn't particularly handy. Once installed, I loaded it up with camping gear, including tents, sleeping bags, and cooking supplies. The waterproof cargo bag that came with it was a game changer. Not only did it fit perfectly, but it also ensured that my gear remained dry and protected from the elements. The cargo net and ratchet straps provided additional security, and I felt confident that nothing would fly off during the drive. On the road, the stability of the MeFar carrier was impressive. The heavy-duty tubular steel construction felt sturdy, and the hitch stabilizer minimized any rattling. I drove over different terrains, including bumpy roads, and the carrier held firm without any issues. This factor is crucial because the last thing you want is to worry about your cargo while driving. However, it's essential to consider a couple of downsides. First, the carrier is quite large, which can be a hassle in tight parking spots. I found myself being extra cautious while maneuvering in crowded areas. Additionally, while it did come with great features, I wish it included reflective strips for enhanced visibility at night. Safety is always a priority. So why should you buy the MeFar Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier? If you need a reliable, spacious, and durable option for transporting gear, this carrier fits the bill. Its thoughtful design and included accessories make it an excellent value for those who frequently haul items. Plus, the peace of mind that comes with knowing your cargo is secure is invaluable. Product number 2, Machins Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier. Next up is the Machins 60x20x6 Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier. From the moment I unpacked it, I could tell it was built for heavy-duty use. The first thing I noticed was the weatherproof anti-rust-coated steel, which gives it a rugged yet sleek appearance. I decided to put it to the test on a road trip across the country, and it did not disappoint. The assembly was fairly simple, and it was nice that the carrier folds up when not in use, saving space. I loaded it with all my camping gear, including a 16-ku FT waterproof cargo bag and 4 packing cubes that came with it. Each packing cube was capable of holding 90 pounds, which made organizing my gear a breeze. The size of the carrier allowed for ample space, so I didn't feel cramped while packing. On the road, I appreciated the added height of the 2 shank, which provided better ground clearance, especially on uneven terrains. The carrier felt secure, and the included stabilizer minimized any annoying swaying. I was able to drive confidently, knowing my cargo was safe and secure. However, one downside to this carrier is that it might not be compatible with vehicles with a rear tire, as it can obstruct the hatch. Additionally, while the packing cubes are a fantastic addition, they take up a fair amount of space, which may not be ideal for smaller vehicles. So should you buy the Machins Folding Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier? Absolutely. If you're looking for a versatile, durable, and spacious option that makes hauling gear easy, this carrier is worth your investment. The peace of mind that comes with its build quality and included accessories makes it a great choice for frequent travelers. Product number 3, MaxHaul 70103 Folding Cargo Carrier. The MaxHaul 70103 is another contender in the hitch cargo carrier space. Measuring 60x21x6.5, it boasts a solid 500 lb capacity. As I set it up, I was pleased to find that it fits a 2x2 hitch receiver, which is a standard for many vehicles. During my initial test, I filled it with camping gear and some heavy tools. The mesh-style basket design was brilliant, It provided instant cargo space while allowing for airflow, reducing any buildup of moisture. The black powder coating also does a great job of resisting rust and corrosion, which is crucial for outdoor use. While driving, I felt secure knowing that the 612 side rails would keep my items in place. The reflectors were a thoughtful touch, enhancing visibility at night. I took it through various driving conditions, and it performed beautifully, maintaining stability without any rattling. One downside I noticed is that the foldable design can be a bit tricky to handle alone. It's a little heavy, so I recommend having someone assist during assembly or disassembly. Additionally, the basket is on the larger side, which may pose parking challenges. If you're looking for a high-capacity, sturdy carrier that can handle various terrains, this is an excellent option. Its thoughtful design and durability make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who often hauls cargo. Product number 4, PINGDIR Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier. The PINGDIR Folding Hitch Mount Cargo Carrier is another impressive choice, measuring 60 x 21.5 x 6 and boasting a 500 lb capacity. When I first took it out of the box, I was struck by how lightweight yet sturdy it felt. The design features high-strength steel tubing that promises to resist rust, which is a must for outdoor enthusiasts. I loaded it up with camping gear and a waterproof cargo bag to see how it performed. One of the best aspects of this carrier is its foldability. It can fold up to 90 degrees when not in use, making it easy to store without taking up much space. This feature is fantastic for those who live in tight quarters or have limited garage space. The mesh structure of the cargo rack ensures that even smaller items won't fall through, which gave me peace of mind during my travels. I was also pleased with the inclusion of a hitch stabilizer, which eliminated any frustrating rattling while driving. However, it's worth mentioning that the assembly process could be slightly more intuitive. I found myself referring back to the instructions a few times. Additionally, while the waterproof bag was a significant plus, it could be more durable for prolonged outdoor usage. So why should you consider the PINGDIR Folding Hitch Cargo Carrier? If you're looking for a versatile and lightweight option that offers ample space, this carrier could be the right fit for you. Its thoughtful design and ease of storage make it a great choice for anyone who values functionality and convenience. Product number 5, Mawkins Heavy Duty Cargo Carrier. Lastly, I tested the Mawkins Heavy Duty Trailer Hitch Cargo Carrier, which comes with a license plate holder and a waterproof cargo bag. Measuring 60 x 20 x 6, this carrier is designed for heavy-duty use, with a capacity of 500 pounds, making it perfect for those who need to transport larger items. Setting it up was a breeze, and I appreciated the inclusion of a license plate holder, which is something I hadn't seen with other carriers. This feature is essential for legal compliance and just adds to the overall convenience. I loaded it with camping gear and tools, and the all-weather cargo bag held up exceptionally well against the elements. Driving with the Mawkins carrier was a positive experience. The two rise provided better ground clearance, which I found beneficial on uneven terrain. The included stabilizer minimized any annoying swaying, giving me confidence that my cargo was secure. However, a minor drawback is that the carrier can be a bit bulky when installed, which may pose challenges in tighter parking spots. It's also worth noting that the waterproof bag zippers could be more robust to withstand frequent use. So should you buy the Mawkins Heavy-Duty Cargo Carrier? If you're in the market for a reliable, spacious carrier that comes with thoughtful extras, this could be your best bet. The combination of durability, ease of use, and added features makes it a strong contender in the hitch cargo carrier niche. In conclusion, each of these hitch cargo carriers brings something unique to the table. Whether you need a sturdy, spacious option like the Mawkins heavy-duty carrier or a lightweight, foldable choice like the PINGDIR, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Remember to consider your specific needs and vehicle compatibility when making a decision. I hope my detailed experiences help you choose the right cargo carrier for your adventures.